So over 1.44 billion was donated to Jamaica in hurricane relief fund. And guess what? Y'all favorite government has only spent 1.8% of that. I know say me no one mathematician, so I'm gonna make Uno do the math. So Uno do the math of 1.8% of 1.44 billion Jamaican dollar. So yo, when you see the government not care. You know how much people in Western Jamaica still without light? You know how much people in Western Jamaica still not have no roof over them head? Yet still, the government get 1.44 billion in donated funds, and not to mention the insurance money where them get couple more $1 billion or couple hundreds of million. I'm not sure the exact figure, so I don't want to quote no lie. See? So now you can imagine that. So what them I try to know? What them I do? Wait for we forget about the donated funds. Because you know say certain things only last in a headline for probably 1, 2, 3 days or a week, and then everybody forget about that. But the Auditor General found out that only 1.8% has been spent. How crazy is that? And one of the worst thing to me is definitely the people that will act as if through your support a political party, nothing is wrong with what they're doing. That is just crazy. This is 2026. You have to actually love your country more than a political party. Because it makes no sense. Because what? Everything will affect certain the PNP or the JLP, it affect Jamaica as a whole. It is not a PNP problem or a JLP problem. It will always be a Jamaica problem. So at the end of the day,